going on, YouTube? I hope you guys can hear me. But here's the battery that caught on fire. Here's the other one that damaged it too. But yeah, that battery is shot. And I can't believe it happened. This is the first time I've ever had a Lipo fire. This is just crazy. I took some pictures right after this showing you what happened, the smoke and the damage it did. But sorry about the wind. It's really windy today. But here's some pictures of what happened. Alright, so we're back in here with Typhon. It was in pretty bad shape. It was pretty charred. It melted the body. As you can see, there's still a little bit of spots left. You can tell where it's kind of white there. But I got it all cleaned up. And the good thing is, all electronics are okay. It looks like brand new over here. So, yeah, it was a pretty mess. It smelled really bad, but I got it all cleaned up. Good thing is all electronics work. It didn't ruin my new Savox servo I just put in there. It didn't ruin my nice motor or anything. So all I need to order is a battery tray, of course. It melted the battery tray, a body, and it melted this XT90 connector. This one seems to be okay. It's a little charred up on the end, other side, but that's okay. And I need to get a new connector. And of course, I'm going to have to get new batteries. I did email Hobby Star. They told me that it was not the battery's fault, that it was something else, like it was punctured or one was undercharged. Honestly, guys, I'm not really sure. I don't really know what happened. Story was, I was just driving it around for my family, showing them. Dog was chasing me around, having fun, and all of a sudden smoke rolling everywhere. And good thing I was close to a water hose, because it could have been a lot worse. But it looks pretty good now. I'm happy with it. It looks brand new, like almost like nothing happened. But down here, all this stuff's going to get replaced. So anyways, they're not going to send me new batteries, but they are going to send me a coupon. So I guess I'm going to try them again. I honestly do not know what happened. Maybe I did forget to charge one. That's the only thing I could think might have happened. But I am pretty sure that I charged both of them. Honestly, I could be wrong. So I'm not going to file a big dispute about it or make a big deal about it. You know, it's not a big deal. Car's okay, that's all I think really matters. So be careful with lipos. I mean, you never know what can happen. So thank you for tuning in. I will post another update video when I get all this stuff fixed and I put it on. So until next time, thanks for watching.